In this video, we will be learning about adverbials. What are adverbials? Adverbials, like adverbs, give us more information about the action of a verb. They tell us how the action of a verb is done, or what is used to do the action. Let's take the action of writing as an example. How can adverbials tell us more about the action of the verb wrote? First, it can tell us about the manner or way in which the action was done. For example, it can tell us it was done hurriedly. It can also tell us the means by which the action was done. In this example, the note was written by hand. The means by which the action of writing was completed was the person's writing hand. Finally, adverbials can also tell us about the instruments used to complete the action. In this case, using the preposition with, we know that the action of writing was done using a pencil. Let's take a closer look at adverbials of manner. Remember, adverbials of manner tell us how something is done. Let's say we are wrapping a gift for someone and the wrapping is messy. We can use an adverb to describe the action of wrapping. In this example, the adverb messily tells us more about the verb wrapped. Using adverbs is not the only way we can talk about manner. We can also use prepositional phrases, which start with prepositions. Let's look at the same sentence using a prepositional phrase instead of an adverb. This prepositional phrase starts with the preposition in and can end in either the noun way or manner. The adjective messy is used instead of an adverb to describe how the wrapping was done. Prepositional phrases can also start with or without, followed by a noun. In this example, the preposition without is used, followed by the uncountable noun delay. The nouns used after with or without can be either uncountable or countable. Another way we can talk about manner is by using like or as, followed by a noun, pronoun, or the ing form of a verb. The example on the screen now uses like and the noun a baby. When we say something is like something else, we are describing how someone or something seems. Now let's take a look at another way we can talk about the manner in which actions are done. We can use as if and as though to describe how someone or something seems by comparing the person or thing to another person or thing. When we talk about something that is not true, we use the past tense. In this example, it is not true that the person is the speaker's mother. Remember, although we use the past tense here, it does not necessarily refer to the past. Now that we have learned how to describe the manner in which an action is done, let's look at how to talk about means and instruments. We typically talk about means and instruments using the prepositions with, without, by, or on. In this example sentence, the preposition with is used to tell us that the action of cutting is done using an instrument, that is, a pair of scissors. Let's practice reading. Can you identify the adverbials in the following passage? The answers are in a shy manner, skillfully, expertly, and like they were crying. Did you get them right? Now let's practice listening. Question 1. Listen to sentences A and B. Which sentence contains an adverbial? A. She read the instructions carefully before using her new computer. B. She took care to read the instructions before using her new computer. I repeat. A. She read the instructions carefully before using her new computer. B. She took care to read the instructions before using her new computer. The answer is A. She read the instructions carefully before using her new computer. Question 2. Which sentence contains an adverbial? C. Calvin rides his bicycle when he makes food deliveries. D. Calvin usually delivers food to customers on his bicycle. I repeat. C. Calvin rides his bicycle when he makes food deliveries. D. Calvin usually delivers food to customers on his bicycle. The answer is D. Calvin usually delivers food to customers on his bicycle. Let's practice writing. Fill in the blanks in the sentences below using adverbials. Follow the instructions given in brackets. The answers are now shown on the screen. The first blank can be filled in with either hurriedly or in a hurry. The second blank can be filled in with without. Did you get them right? Now let's practice speaking. Answer the following questions out loud using adverbials. Question 1. Describe what is happening at the place where you are watching this video. Question 2. Look up the recipe for a dish or dessert you like online and describe how it is made. Make sure you mention the tools and appliances needed.